some point in life, you look at yourself and feel something isn't right. Not because you failed, but because you have outgrown who you used to be. The habits, the mindset, the identity, they no longer fit. And a question arises within you. Can I become someone new? The answer is yes. Because reinvention is not about changing your life overnight. It is about rebuilding yourselves from within. Reinvention doesn't begin with adding something new. It begins with letting go. Letting go of old habits, letting go of limiting beliefs, letting go of the version of you that no longer serves you. But this is not easy because your identity feels comfortable, even if it is holding you back. You may have spent years becoming this version of yourself, and now you are being asked to release it. But growth always requires change, and change always requires letting go. You can't reinvent yourself without understanding yourself. Awareness is the foundation of transformation. Start observing your thoughts, your habits, your patterns. Ask yourself, why do I react this way? Why do I repeat the same mistakes? What is holding me back? Because you can't change what you don't understand. Awareness turns unconscious patterns into conscious choices. Reinvention requires stepping into discomfort, doing things you have never done before, facing fears you have avoided, taking actions that feel unfamiliar because your current life is a result of your current habits. If you want a different life, you need different actions, and that begins outside your comfort zone. Reinvention is not just about changing actions, it is about changing identity. Instead of saying, I want to be confident, start saying, I am becoming a confident person. Instead of, I want discipline, say, I am someone who shows up every day. Your identity shapes you and your behavior shapes your life. So choose your identity carefully because you become what you repeatedly believe. Motivation is temporary. It comes and goes, but discipline creates consistency. There will be days when you don't feel like showing up, days when you feel tired, lost, uncertain. But reinvention happens on those days, not when it's easy, but when it's difficult. Small, consistent actions create massive long term change. Reinvention is not instant, it takes time. You will not see results immediately, and that can feel frustrating. But remember, you are not just changing your life, you are changing who you are. And that process requires patience. Trust the journey, trust the process, because every small step is shaping your future self. If you feel like starting over, if you feel like becoming something new, someone new, do not wait. You don't need a perfect moment. You don't need permission. You just need a decision. Because the person you want to become is already within you, waiting to be discovered, waiting to be created. Before this video ends, take a moment and reflect deeply. What version of myself do I need to let go of? What habits are holding me back right now? Who do I truly want to become? What fears are stopping me from changing? Am I living intentionally or on autopilot? What is one action I can take today to improve myself? What identity do I need to adopt to grow? Am I willing to step out of my comfort zone? What does my ideal life looks like? If I continue like this, where will be in 5 years? Take a moment today to reflect, to decide, to begin. Because reinvention is not about becoming someone else. It is about becoming who you were meant to be.